Hey guys, I hear a plane. We're going plane spotting today at Hong Kong International Airport, so yeah. Okay everyone, I just cut out the waiting time. Look, wait, what airline? What airline is it? Hong Kong Express! Hong Kong Express, it's Hong Kong Express, guys. So yeah, don't question why I get the planes late. It's because actually, I'm not really good at speed, so yeah. I cut out the waiting time, so yeah. Okay guys, we see another plane! Another plane! Japan Airlines! It's Japan Airlines! Oh my god! Japan Airlines! Look at it go! Japan Airlines! Japan Airlines! Let me guess, it's going to Tokyo or Osaka? Look at it. There it is, right there. And fun fact about this video, I actually cut out the waiting part because no one's even interested in it. Okay guys, I'm recording. Okay, no! That's a 747! That's a Boeing 747! Oh my god! Oh my god! I thought they fully retired the Boeing 747! It's my favorite plane! This is like the best shots I've done so far, in my opinion. I'm gonna record the 747 till it fully disappears. We cannot miss my favorite aircraft, can we? I said, can we? We cannot miss our favorite aircraft. The answer is no. Okay, guys. An airplane's coming. The airplane's coming, so yeah, just wait. The airplane's coming. An airplane is coming. I can hear an airplane coming, so yeah. There it is. There it is, right over there. Cathay. Cathay Pacific. I think it's going to Cebu because I heard I saw it. I think it's 9:25. I'm not sure though because earlier at my home I saw it. I'm not sure if it's that, so yeah. Okay guys, there's a Singapore. It's an A380. Yo! Look at it. Singapore Airlines A380. Oh my god! Bye bye Singapore Airlines A380. Wow, that's the first ever A380 occurrence we have had in this video. We've mostly seen Cathay, right? Right guys? So yeah. So guys, I found the plane! I found the plane! If you could see it, but it's Indigo. Bye bye, Indigo. Hey guys, I hear a plane. Oh, Hong Kong Airlines. Hong Kong Airlines. There it is, Hong Kong Airlines. Wow. Hong Kong. Bye bye. Bye Hong Kong Airlines. Okay guys, I found another plane. Greater Bay Airlines! Greater Bay. Look at it. Greater Bay. Whoa. Hey guys, I hear a plane. hear a plane. Where is the plane? Oh, there it is. There's the plane. Oh, Cathay Pacific. Oh my God. Cathay Pacific. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Cathay. I guess they're going to... I wonder where it's going, so yeah. Okay guys, I hear another plane. It's China Eastern Airlines. China Eastern. I finally figured out what that airline was. Finally. I finally figured out what that airline was from, you know, from earlier where I was like, I found an airline that looked like British Airways. No, I finally figured it out. It's China Eastern Airlines, so yeah. Okay guys, I hear an airline. It's coming. It's coming any moment now. It's coming. It's coming. There! See? Told you I was coming. And I am not even surprised. I am not even surprised. I knew it'd be Cathay. I knew it. Come on. I just wanted to be a different airline. I just want to see a new airline. And also, if I say anything wrong in this video, please correct me. Okay, guys. I hear a plane coming. Plane could be coming any moment. If you wait and wait. Wait and wait and no wait. Oh my God. I really hope it has an excellent flight. I love 747s. You know, they're my favorite airline. So, my favorite airplane, I mean. So yeah, there it goes. Anyways guys, this is the end of the video. If you enjoyed doing plane spotting with me at Hong Kong International Airport, make sure to like and subscribe.